A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. This old proverb dates back to at least the 16th century and may have roots in medieval falconry. In those times, catching one bird was already a success. Chasing after two more in the bushes often meant losing everything. In a backyard flock today, it's a fitting reminder. If you've got one reliable layer or one broody hen sitting on eggs, that's a sure thing. You don't risk her just because you think another might do better. With people, the meaning holds strong. We often face choices between what's certain and what might be better but riskier. Whether it's a job, a relationship, or a life decision, sometimes holding on to what you've already worked for is wiser than gambling it away chasing what-ifs. It's a phrase that teaches gratitude, patience, and valuing what's right in front of you.